subscribe, and ring the bell to never miss an update. Love is in the air today on Lady Mary Bath. I will showcase a romantic silver and pink tablescape, ideal for celebrating an anniversary or Valentine's Day. And this soft, feminine look is also perfect to honor a bride or mother-to-be. Join me. The inspiration for this table design, no surprise to you, is a thrifted find. This lovely linen soft pink tablecloth I found at Ma'am Resale for $8, and it fits my table perfectly. It has a white embroidered floral motif throughout. The place setting for our modern color palette of pink and silver is classic elegance. The Pure One Imports charger was $2 at Ma'am Resale, and it sets it off nicely with the silver. And I've topped it with my favorite white dinner plate, Cellini from Villeroy-Boch. And the old world glamour is coming through in this salad plate. This has a nice silver overlay rim. It was also $2 from Ma'am Resale. And a thrifted find from long ago is this cotton hemstitch napkin and silver-plated napkin ring. And as you can see, it's a very simple place setting, so we will change it up a bit and add some interest with the flatware and stemware. The Gorham Strasbourg pattern is in the Rococo style, which looks very romantic. Along with the thrifted find from the Guild Shop, this is from the Cambridge Glass Company, and it has a beautiful etched floral pattern and has a rather regal look, and this lends a bit of femininity to the table. And to add some contrast, here is a Fostoria American pattern goblet with a hexagonal base and a cubist design. This was a $4 find at St. Christopher's Resale. And this completes the look of our elegant pink and silver place setting. Anchoring our centerpiece is this fabulous Samoa vase from Costa Boda Orifers Swedish Crystal. This was a sweet surprise from a very special friend. I like the ombre look with the different shades of pink and the lighter pink that spirals throughout. The cylinder shape is actually quite useful. It doesn't have a large footprint and does not obstruct the visibility when you're dining. And I have continued our theme of the day of love with this acrylic cake topper that I found on Amazon, and we will see that again with our dessert. And you're probably thinking that I spent some time on the florals. Let me show you my little trick and why I'm enjoying this cylinder vase shape. I simply went to Hobby Lobby and bought one bouquet and placed it inside the vase. That is about the easiest arrangement I've ever created. This is one of my new favorite pieces that I think we will see again. On either side of the fabulous Costa Boda Samoa vase, I have placed a pair of Heisey Lariat glass fan vases with a sterling silver overlay. These were made by the Heisey Glass Company in about the 1930s, and they are such fun. I enjoy arranging flowers in these, and I've simply placed 3 silk roses. And I wanted to create sort of a visual table runner with this romantic look. And I shopped my home and found a variety of Waterford crystal posy vases that I've placed spray roses in. I had quite a few on hand that I picked up over the years at antique shops and thrift stores, and a few that I collected during my Waterford crystal days. And carrying out the theme of love, I've placed some of my Waterford crystal heart items. This is a covered box that you could place on a desk, and my favorite Waterford crystal heart bowl. That is great for candies, for mints. You could do so much with that. And the Waterford crystal heart hand cooler that is sort of a paperweight. And I think that this creates quite a nice romantic look for our table. Hearts always belong in a theme of love. This Waterford crystal heart ring dish was a gift from our friend John Stinson, a Waterford crystal artisan, and he inscribed it with our names and wedding date. It carried the rings down the aisle, and that is perfect to place a truffle. And this Baccarat heart paperweight I bought at the Guild shop years ago, a resale store, and I had forgotten that I had it, found it in a box, so it's new to me. And it's always nice to add a bit of light to your dinner table. This is a very inexpensive votive holder from Hobby Lobby. I like the way that the light glistens. And here I have a couple of posy vases and an unusual toothpick holder with a sterling silver base. I like that I can utilize this as a posy vase. And this is actually a violet vase from Waterford Crystal. It's petite and has beautiful diamond cuts. And the Waterford Society's second annual posy vase is something that I got when I worked for Waterford Crystal. And I like the shape. It reminds me of the Kilrain pattern with the flare. Each of these has a different look, which adds interest to our table, and it creates a nice table runner look with a romantic feel. I like to add a sweet surprise to a dinner table. On each side I have placed these vintage Victorian era sterling Gorham heart-shaped dishes. They are reticulated or pierced, as you can see around the edge. And inside I've placed delicious chocolate truffles from the Copper Kettle Chocolate Factory. This is the red velvet, and another favorite, the tiramisu. This is a local chocolate shop, and I will put their information in the description below. They are absolutely scrumptious. Carrying out our theme of love for this celebration, I have pulled the acrylic cake topper from the floral display, and I will place it on our Sugar Avenue strawberry layered cake. These are moist and delicious. We have these delivered from Sugar Avenue in Memphis, Tennessee. They arrive frozen, and we always have one on hand for a last-minute celebration. And I don't know about you, but I am ready for some cake. Love is always in season. I had such fun creating this romantic tablescape, and I had no idea that the color pink was so versatile. I think this thrifted tablecloth find will carry me through spring and celebrations. Thanks again for joining Lady Mary Beth. Elevate your everyday and always celebrate love. Thanks for joining Lady Mary Beth. Please hit like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time for more lifestyle tips.